Welcome to Marvel Toy Talk. In this episode, we'll be taking a look at the Gargantos Showdown from the Doctor Strange Multiverse of Madness movie. And if you're new here, well, so am I. Would you consider subscribing and following along for more Marvel collectible content? Let's get into it. This set is pretty special because it's one of the first LEGO sets I'm putting together from the Marvel line. And here to help me assemble this is my wonderful assistant and daughter. Now we'll be doing a time lapse so you don't have to watch me slowly piece this thing together. But from start to finish, this set took about 20 minutes to build, starting with Doctor Strange, as well as America Chavez in the first bag. The first bag also contains the body of Gargantos. I originally picked this set up because I really liked the minifigures having Doctor Strange, Wong, and America Chavez all in one set. But the real star of the set is actually Gargantos. And as I go about building this, I'll show you why. But while he's not the most elaborate LEGO set, one of the things you'll notice as you put him together is just how articulated every part of Gargantos is. A lot of the other Marvel LEGO sets that are available on the market today have a large ship or a mecha figure that, while they're somewhat articulated, it doesn't get to the level of different movements and posability that you can get with Gargantos. Now to put together the eye. My daughter loves this eye. She always makes fun of it and says that he has an eye infection because his eye is so red. Alright, so he's starting to come together. This is half of the body for scale next to America Chavez, so you can see just what we're looking at. Moving on to the second part of this build is bag number 2. Now this is where it starts to get really fun. This is where you start to put together the tentacles as well as the eyelid. And from here on out, this is probably one of my favorite parts of this build. Now that we have him standing on a few of his tentacles, you can put together the eyebrow and look at that. That looks really quite nice. Now for the rest of Gargantos, we put together his medium to larger tentacles. And at this point, we're just about done. Here is the set fully assembled, recreating the scene from the movie, and here we are playing with it.
You want me to hold Doctor Strange? Alright, cool. Oh, I'm going to eat you.
No, he's a bad guy.
Oh yeah, who's a bad guy? Who's a bad guy? This guy, okay. Oh no, look, he's gonna eat America Chavez. Let's save her. Use your spell, Wong. Use your spell. Thank you for saving me. You did it, Wong. You did it, America. Good job. You saved her. High five.
Well, that was fun. So just looking back at this build, definitely one of my favorites. My daughter absolutely enjoyed playing with this set as well. Both of us had a ton of fun building it together. And even though she's not old enough yet to watch the Multiverse of Madness, she can use her imagination. And we got some amazing bonding time out of this as well. To me, that's what makes this set so great. It's fun for adults in all ages to assemble, but it's also great for all ages to enjoy and play with. If you are interested in the set, it is currently on sale at Target for 20% off. But even at the full price of $29, I do think this is a very worthwhile set to pick up. With that, this has been Marvel Toy Talk's first LEGO build and review. Thanks for following. Happy building. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.